Hello everyone, welcome to Nelson School online education program. Learn sent you the revision of English grammar beginning with question number 1. So questions were sent to you yesterday. So today I'll be giving you the answers to the same. So it's question number 1. Join the following sentences using conjunctions. So question 1 is using conjunctions. So what have I taught you in conjunctions? What are conjunctions? So conjunctions are words that are used to join some words, some sentences and clauses together. Say for example, the sun was shining, the hot wind was blowing. The sun was shining and a hot wind was blowing. So we had two types of conjunctions, coordinating and subordinating. Fine. Let us wait here until the rain stops. So let us wait here, the rain stops. So till when we will be waiting? Until the rain stops. We will play match if it does not rain. So it is a condition given that we will play on the condition that when it's not raining. I was suffering from fever, I couldn't attend the class. Because you are suffering from fever, you couldn't attend the class. So we have to use the as. I like Tony, he is always cheerful. Now why do you like Tony? Because he is always cheerful. Next. So these are conjunctions we have taught you. Coordinating, subordinating and correlative conjunctions. But mainly there are two types of conjunctions, coordinating and subordinating. Now coordinating could be categorized under four things, that is joining, contrast, choice and reason. So for joining what we use and, both and, as well as, no less than, not only but also. For contrast we use but still, yet, nevertheless, whereas, while, only. For choice we use or, either, or neither, or otherwise, else. And for reason we use for, so, therefore. Same way for subordinating conjunctions, it is noun clause, that if, whether. Now adverb clauses, for that shows time, whenever, place, where, wherever. Okay. Before time, whenever, before, after, till, since, as soon as, while as, the place, where, wherever. Then it is cause or reason, because, since, as. Then it's result, so that, such that, purpose, so that list, condition, if and unless, contrast, though, although, yet, even if, manner, as and as if, and comparison, as and then. Correlative conjunctions are always used in pair. If you're using correlative conjunctions, you have to use the other one also. You cannot use only either. Okay, so it's either or, neither or, both and, such as, such that, so as and as if, scarcely, where, not only but also, and no sooner then. This is question number 1. She is ill, she is cheerful. This shows you what? This sentence shows you what? Contrast. So you can use contrast of coordinating, you can use contrast of subordinating also. I'll give you the answer with both subordinating as well as the coordinating one. But here in the answer they have used coordinating, that is she is ill but she is cheerful. She is ill, still she is cheerful. Now when you have to use subordinating, you can use though she is ill, comma, she is cheerful. Although she is ill, yet she is cheerful. We decided to go out, it was raining. Now this shows what? It shows some contrast again, because it was raining, then too you decided to go out. So it is though it was raining, we decided to go out. You can use coordinating also. It was raining, still we decided to go out. Next, number 3, the piper played, the children danced. So this is only used for joining. So you can write coordinating, joining, that is and, both and. You can use the piper played and the children danced. Okay, you can even use the piper played as well as the children danced. If you want to use subordinating, then you can use the piper played whereas the children danced. Okay. Now number 4, James worked hard, his brother is lazy. This shows contrast. Okay, so you can use here again the coordinating as well as subordinating. James worked hard but his brother is lazy. If you want to use subordinating, then you can use James worked hard whereas his brother is lazy. So it's I went to the shop, I bought some vegetables. So just joining, I went to the shop and bought some vegetables. Thank you. Now number 6, God made the country but man made the town. So here the question is, God has made the country, man made the town. So there are two different statements showing the contrast, that God made the country, man made the town. When it is showing contrast, we are going to use but, or you can use still. Okay, but, still, yet, nevertheless, whereas, while, only. But here you can use but or whereas. Okay, so we can write God made the country but man made the town, or we can write God made the country whereas man made the town. Number 7, I found it, I was walking to school. So this shows that you have found something while you were walking to school. Okay, so this shows the time. So you can here use the subordinating conjunction showing time. Okay, I found it when I was walking to school. Okay, or you can use the any other conjunction that shows the time. Okay, so it's my father is out, my mother is at home. So this again shows the contrast. So it is he is out, father is out, but the mother is at home. So this shows contrast. So for contrast, what we can use is, you can use the subordinating conjunctions also, and you can use the coordinating conjunctions also for showing contrast. Okay, here it is used the coordinating conjunction. So it is my father is out but my mother is at home. You can even use a subordinating conjunction showing the contrast, that is, though my father is out, comma, my mother is at home, or although my father is out, my mother is at home. Number 9, he is a poet, he is a photographer. So it is again the choice is given between a poet and a photographer. So he is both. So we can write he is a poet as well as a photographer. He is not only a poet but also a photographer. Or we can simply use he is both poet and a photographer. He is a poet and a photographer. Number 10, he is not gay, he is not sad. Okay, so again two options are given. Gay means he is happy, he is not happy, and he is not sad. So he is neither happy or nor sad, we can say, but the negative words are used like not and not, but the two options are given. So we'll use the conjunction neither nor. So we can even write he is neither gay nor sad. So I hope you understood all the 10 statements. I'll be even sending you the PDF form so you can complete the same in the book.